Alright guys, today we're going to try smoking mud crab. I've never tried to do this before, but we've tried pretty much every other way to cook a muddy, so let's get into it. So all we're going to need today is a smoker, some charcoal, some wood for some smoke flavour, and some mud crabs, and salt water. We'll get this fire going now so we can shoot down the creek and get some salt water, because you never want to use fresh, even if it's just for cleaning crabs. So we'll get the fire cranking now. Now before anyone says anything about not using the little chimney thing, I had one but it's rusted away, so we've got to do it the old fashioned way. Now we got the fire burning behind me, we'll duck down the creek and get some salt water. Alright, we've got our smoker up to temp, we've got our salt water, we've cleaned our crabs. If you're wondering how I do that, just watch any of my other videos, it's in there. So we're going to smoke one and we're going to boil the other 5. The other boys have got the other 6. So yeah, we brought 12 home from the last trip, did really well. I'll link to that video here if you want to watch that. But yeah, we better get this water on the boil and get this crab on, because yeah, time's a wasting. Alright, so while we're waiting for the water to boil over here, we'll chuck the crab on the smoker and get that one going, because it's going to take about an hour and 20 minutes. So while I was cleaning all the other crabs, I had this guy soaking in the esky full of salt water, just with his shell all cracked up. So now we can chuck it on the tray and put on the smoker, 130 Fahrenheit for about an hour and 20 minutes. So let's do that, get him on. Okay, that thing's just starting to turn red now. The little alfoil tray I had in at the front, I'll give you a look here. The idea of that is it's close to the firebox, because this is an old school offset smoker, no pellet grills, no fancy stuff, it's an actual fire. So the idea of that is keep it up next to the firebox where the heat comes out. It'll create steam. I've got salt water in that tray from the creek. That should keep it more humid inside and keeps your temp more level. So that's in case anyone was going to ask. And we got our little cooking buddy back.
Hello!
So we'll go check on this water and see if it's boiled yet. Oh, looks like it's good to go.
Ooh. Hot.
Very hot.
I like the crabs like that.
Do ya? Is this your favourite way?
Yeah.
Looks good.
It's already turning orange.
Yep. Alright, beautiful. Now we'll leave them on the boil for about, what do you reckon, 20 minutes? 10. I reckon a bit more than that. There's 6 crabs, 5 crabs. We'll give it 18, we'll have a look, see how they go. And then probably another hour till that bad boy's done. A couple of sherbets, I reckon. Right, that's time. Let's get them out. You got to be pretty careful with these crabs, boys. They are really hot. Just like that. Alrighty, all done. So now all you got to do is let them cool down for, I don't know, I like it About 5 minutes. I don't like putting them in ice. A lot of people do, and I know it stops the cooking process and waddy-waddy-wah, but it's fresh water. Nah, no good. Let them cool down, 5 minutes, eat it while it's hot. Mwah! Beautiful. So I'll go give these to the hungry people over there waiting for them. Then we'll wait for this smoked one, give that a crack. Alrighty, the timer just went off. Let's check out the smoked crab. You ready? I'm ready. Close up.
That smells like ribs.
Smells like ribs. We do cook ribs on that a fair bit, don't we?
I love ribs.
Me too.
Why can't I have some now?
Because it's mud crab time.
Oh, why do we have to have mud crab night?
Because we love mud crabs?
I hate them.
You do not.
I do.
You just ate some.
And I didn't like it.
Why?
Because I don't like them.
What would you rather eat?
Ribs!
Oh well, you should out of luck today, kiddo.
Oh.
Mud crab it is. Beer crab winning. Alright, let's get this bad boy out, cool down, and then tuck into it.
That was weird because you said
Can you carry Daddy's beer, please?
Can I have a drink?
No, you can't. That's illegal. You're not 18 and we're on the internet. Come on, let's go.
Hi guys, I'm gonna test the mud crab. Hands up if you like mud crabs.
Alright, Kaylee, let's go. Smoked mud crab, what do you reckon? Pretty good. You love it? Nice. You don't look overly convincing. Are you sure you like it? Is it better than when we boil them or cook them on the barbecue? Maybe not. You like barbecued ones better? Or boiled ones? You like boiled ones. Fair enough. Alright. Okay, my turn.
You did a big piece.
I'll try this nip a bit. It's different. I don't know if I like it that much. You sure you liked it? Not really. I'm not sure if I like it better. I like the barbecued ones the most, I think. But you got to try these things, guys. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Give everything a try. If you got some good crab recipes, drop them in the comments. We'll give them a crack. Thanks, guys. See you later.